Uh, Hello everyone, I'm Mushtaq Hussain. I'm going to make a presentation on the roles of hemispheres. As we all know, our brain has two cerebral hemispheres and we call them right brain and left brain. And these hemispheres are not the same. Okay, so we are going to discuss about this split brain. Now each hemisphere operates independently and no major function is lost. So they can no longer communicate. Now let's discuss some of the factors one by one, so how they are different from each other. So the source that I used for this presentation is Brain Lateralization, the Split Brain by Professor Dave. So if you look at vision, okay, so left brain recognize words and letters, so that's why it is good at language skills. Okay, it can easily recognize the words and letters. And if you look at right brain or right hemisphere, so it is good at, or it recognizes faces, emotions, geometrical patterns. So basically it is all about non-verbal aspects of it. Okay, so you can see over here. So if you think about communication, now in communication we have verbal communication and we have non-verbal communication. So basically, left brain takes care of words and letters, it recognizes words and letters, whereas right hemisphere or right brain takes care of faces, emotions and geometrical patterns. So basically it is all about objects, right? So this is all about vision. Then second one is hearing. So when we hear, then how does it work? So basically, right one interprets spoken language and left one interprets spoken language, where right one interprets or analyze other sounds like music. So again, it shows that, okay, so this is something to do with verbal or words or language, and music is something creative, right? Innovation, creativity. Now next one is memory. Now as far as memory is concerned, so left one processes verbal memory, finding meaning in memories. So basically again verbal, so everything all about like letters and numbers, right? Whereas right side processes non-verbal memory, recalling perceptual aspects. So basically, if you have watched something, if you have observed something, so it will try to process it, it will try to analyze it. So that is what happens in terms of right one. Okay, and recalling perceptual aspects. So maybe we must have observed something and we must have made our impression or perception about something, right? So maybe it will help us to recall it. So that is all about memory. Then as far as skills are concerned, so left one is better at speech, reading, writing and arithmetic. So maybe, yes, again you can relate with language skills, right? Speech is all about speaking, reading, writing. Okay, so everything, you will find all these things in language skills. And apart from that, we have got arithmetic too. Okay, and if you look at right one, so it is better at spatial reasoning. Spatial reasoning here, spatial refers to proximity, space, distance between two objects. Okay, so basically it is good at, or it is better at spatial reasoning. Okay, we have got logical reasoning, but where do you find that logical reasoning? We find logical reasoning in left one, right? But this one is all about object, space, distance between two different objects, right? And then next one is rotating objects in mind. Okay, maybe again it is good at rotating objects in mind. It means we can picturize the things, right? For example, if we are listening to something, okay, it could be music, it could be lecture, it could be webinar. Okay, so we try to picturize it. So basically right one is better at rotating objects in the mind, or it tries to picturize. Then discerning direction or distance. Okay, so since again we have discussed about spatial or proximity, isn't it? So discerning direction or distance, right? So this is what we have in terms of right brain and left brain. So that's it from my end. Thank you so
Hmm.
much for listening.